Welcome to the Juniper platform. My name is Ebere Mishala, and today we'll be looking at product creation on Juniper platform. Right now, I would just quickly show us from the screen. Currently, I'm logging to one of the Juniper instances. For product creation, there are different points from which product can be created. For the purpose of this class, I will just quickly show us from the inventory points. Now currently I'm on the inventory module, which is what you're seeing currently on your screen. So I'll click on this menu where you have other sub menus. You have the product menus. I click on the product menu, then the products. This will display all the products on the system. So currently what you're seeing is all the products that have been created so far on Juniper platform for this instance. So for creation of products, the journey begins from this button that you're seeing on the screen. So I click on this button. So once that button is clicked, you get to see a number of things that we need to provide. First and foremost is the name. You need to provide a name. Every product that exists must have a name. So the first thing we want to do is to provide a product name. So we say, let's say test product 2. So one of the most important details that we need to provide also is the product type. This also means that product type, which has to do with the ability to track the products, both the inflows and the outflows of the products. Everything that comes to your store must be tracked, and everything that leaves your store also must be tracked. So this configuration is what helps the system to be able to track. Okay, storable means items that you are to bring into your store. For products that have to do with services, you will indicate that they are service. Then for products that are consumable, maybe you want to track a product that you consume internally. They are neither for sales not a service. So in that case, you're going to select the consumable. For now, since we want to keep track of these products, we are going to leave it as storable. Our invoice policy, you can also select another, whether you want to receive into your store what has been ordered versus what has been ordered for, or what has been delivered. So you want your invoice policy, you can decide that until items ordered are delivered before invoices are generated, or you receive your order into your store before, or you can proceed with processing your invoice even though order has not been received into the store. Basically, that is that. Then if you have tax, for products that are taxable and you want the tax to be applied, you are going to configure these. But if tax is not applicable in this case, you just simply, so this is a point where tax is applied. Then we need to provide the cost of the products. In this case, let's say 1,000 naira is the cost. Then the sales price of the product should be provided, so that anytime you want to carry out a sales transaction, the system automatically brings up the price. Then the category, if your products are categorized, if you have different categories for your products, you can maintain the category. You can create it on the fly here. Let's say drug, for example, can be created. So you simply create it as drug, create button here. So you, after all the details have been provided, you save. Then another important thing that you need to do for people that want to update their inventory, what you need to do in this case is just to come to this button. You click on this button. You provide the let's say provide, let's say currently after you have done your counting, you're having 12 items. Once you have that, as you can see, the system is showing that you have 12 items on this. So once these things are done, the next thing you need to do is to save. So you click on this save button. What it means is that this product is currently existing in your product list. So if I come back here, so looking at our product list, even without searching, you discover that we have this product already in our system. So having done this, that has brought us to the end of the product creation session. With this, I want to believe that you understand how to create products on Juniper platform. Thank you.